Hi everyone, welcome back to ByteRipple. In today's video, we are going to continue with our HTML series. Last week we looked at HTML links, but today we are going to be looking into HTML links with different colors. Styling links for better user experience. Without any further delay, let's get started. HTML link colors help users understand the state of a link, whether it's a new, visited, or being clicked. By styling link color, we actually improve the clarity and navigation on our web page. Last week, we only demonstrated how links are being used on the website. I explained that we have internal link, external links, and other HTML links that we eventually explore in the future when we are working on the main project. But in today's video, we are going to be expatiating more on how these links have been styled on our website, what each color of the link means when you click on them and when you revisited a particular page. Why are color links so important, or why do they matter? Number one is for user guidance, for better user experience, visual consistency. So users know which links they have visited. It helps them to have a clear link state improvement for navigation, and also it shows how the link itself matches a particular website with its design theme. These are the key link states. Link state simply means the state of a particular link. For instance, have a link been used to visit a particular website for over effects and also for active. So there are some links that are active, there are some links that when you hover on them, it shows a particular color. Why is that important, and how it helps users of a particular website to understand the current state of that particular link. So in our demo, we are going to be seeing how to apply colors to links on our website and why it is important in modern day web development. Now I'm on my screen, and I've splitted the screen into two. I'm going to delete some of these placeholders so that we can now start the real practical. Here I have a comment that states HTML links, which was what we did last time, and I'll be adding an anchor tag, be linking it to a file within our file tree in this particular project. Mind you, we are going to be using the index.html as an internal file for us to have a demonstration of this, of the styling of the anchor tag. So remember, we talked about inline styling, external styling, and internal styling. So for this particular practical, we are going to be using the internal styling using the style elements. So here I'm going to be writing styling the anchor tag, pardon me. So here we have the link, and I'm going to be opening a curly brace that will contain the styling of this particular link, the anchor tag. So we say the link will be we give it a color property of green, okay, and we will also have to, so let's close this with, so now we've closed it. Now the next will be for the same link. We are still styling the same link. It's going to be the visited, or we say over effect. Let's do over effect first. So we give it an over effect of orange. The color should be orange when we hover on this particular link. Still the same href, the anchor tag, and the next one is going to be the visited property, or the visited, let's say the visited pseudo element that we are using to style this particular link, and it's going to be blue. And I think the last one now is going to be the active. So when an individual or a user of the website hovers on that particular link, it shows a particular color for active. That is, the link is active when it is red. That shows an active state, the link. So let's open with live server and see what we have. And here now we have this particular link. It's showing us blue. The blue is the default, which means they visited. Let me increase the page so that we can see it properly. And we now have the orange. When we hover on it, for the over effect is not really showing. I'm going to refresh. Let's see. I'll refresh the page. Still not showing. So the orange is actually for the background, for the over effect, and when we click on it, we will see that the active is there because it shows red when we click on it. Let's see how we can restyle it and to have that the effect that we've applied on the CSS style. So when we still over, it's still not working. Let me see what is going on here with respect to the over effect. So let me give it a background color of orange, and let's see when we over on it. So it gives us orange as the background color of this particular anchor tag element. And I want to add some padding to it so that we have an internal spacing when we mouse over on this particular link. So let me Ctrl S to save, and now it's working. So this is how we style the anchor tag, and there are other ways to do the styling, but this is basically how we do the styling for this particular aspect of the HTML element when it comes to links. So in our next class, we are still going to be looking at HTML links on bookmark and how to style them, still using CSS to style those links. So until then, I will see you in the next class. This is a challenge for you. You have to create a page with one link, different colors for link, over effect that shows visited and active states of that particular link. And finally, you have to style the link like a button. This is a very simple and basic demonstration. The link color make website easier to navigate and more user-friendly. By properly styling our links, it helps users know where they are and where they have been. This is why it is important for us to have the designs of our website and the design of our HTML link, because it helps users understand how to navigate through the website. Even apart from navigation, for user experience as well, we see this in all modern day websites. So thank you, and in our next class we are going to continue to see the last part of the HTML links, which is the HTML borders or bookmark, HTML bookmarks. So I will see you in the next class, and always remember, small bites makes a big impact. Bye bye.